Hello guys, welcome back. Take a look at this. I'm diamond cutting some rims. We have a lot to do here at the shop, so I haven't been able to make so many videos. Really sorry. Couple of updates. I've ordered some new seats for the wide body SEC. So these are the Recaro Classic C, and they're quite cool. There are multiple ways you can adjust them. You have the adjustable side bolsters there, all manual of course, and you can also adjust the recline of the top half here. Let's see. It's all 80s tech. Let's see, what is this? Yeah, it's the side bolsters again. And you have, yeah, these can also, for the support for the legs can be adjusted. And this support for the length of the seat can be adjusted with that one. And there's also these, I don't really know what they do, back and forth perhaps. Yeah, I'll have to sort that out. The yellow car is back. It's been back here for a while now for taking out the engine and sorting the oil consumption. Yes, I sold the car. Some of you might know I sold it last year to a friendly chap, and I told him that if it continues to use oil, we'll just have to fix that, and I'll take it in this winter and fix it. And because of the corona stuff, it's been dragging on, and but it has new pistons. It's been rebored, and this is what it looks now. The cam has been timed, and we just have to adjust the valves, or the, what you call them, roller rockers, and then it should be ready to put in. So that's what I'm doing here. I've expanded my business as well. Some of you may know that I'm in the wheel refurbishing business. So I've just acquired this half of the area, and I have a painting booth now. So I'll be able to paint my own cars and rims and other parts in there. So what's new? This is my parts car for the wide body AMG car. So what are we doing here? We are actually taking out all the wiring loom and yeah, moving it all over to the wide body. Somebody has cut and spliced and done so much wrong with the AMG car, so we just have to do everything. It's mainly also to get the locking, automatic locking doors mechanism to work, to get speakers, to get, yeah, you know, a lot of stuff. And yeah, it's a right mess. We've taken out both what are they called again? Sunroofs, and managed to make one good working sunroof. Lubed it all up and fixed it in the wide body, so that's ready. And we have a new headlining done, ready to put in. So okay, I just bought a grill. That's not finished either. I just have 200 projects. Yeah, and here's the Griffith. Nothing done yet. Have to get the yellow car out first before we can do anything about that. Okay, so that was a big update. This is my powder coating oven and prep area. These are a couple of wheels that we have just painted and diamond cut, ready for clear coats. Okay, so I'll be trying to get some driving videos out. That's mainly what this channel is for. Good driving videos, not me talking. I'm not that good at that. Okay, cheers guys, I'll see you later. Oh, I almost forgot. I have a new car. This is a 2004 G55. Not the supercharged one though, I'm afraid. It's a real agriculture thing, let's say. Okay. Yeah, nothing wrong with that sound. Gonna make some new cool content on this car. Okay, check in later.